In our fast-paced world filled with software updates, computers, tablets, and screens, our medical staff is inundated with technology that diverts their attention from the people that need it most, their patients. Studies show that for every hour of patient treatment, doctors endure the added stress of another 2 hours inputting data while overcoming various obstacles and technology-based choke points. When a doctor's attention is 100% focused on their patient, anxiety can be alleviated, and the healing process can speed up immensely. Introducing MedDesk. MedDesk is an impressive built-in interactive touchscreen and multifunctional workstation that provides easy access to documents, x-rays, MRIs, scheduling, and much more. MedDesk's sleek and intuitive design fits beautifully in any office. With its transcription system and intuitive software, the MedDesk cuts down on time spent typing notes and treatment summaries, while our voice assistant helps pull up reports and complete minor tasks.
Hey, Dr. Nill, my knee is still hurting.
Dr. Nill, I suggest a steroid treatment.
Medi, please fetch me Eric James's last surgery file to review.
One moment, Dr. Nill. According to several studies involving this operation, it would suggest an hydrotherapy.
Based on the results you've encountered, it's clear that your previous operation didn't achieve the needed results, but our new regimen will fix that. If you can just place your credit card on the table and sign the e-receipt, we can send you on your way. MT-Tech's founded 8 years ago and trusted by industry-leading organizations like Audi, Elbit, IDF, and more. Backed by one of the biggest hospitals in Israel, our commitment to utilizing the highest quality hardware and software systems heightens any hospital's level of performance and showcases unmatched ROI and patient customer experiences to help a CXO's bottom line. Your investment in MedDesk will not only take your profits to the next level, but it will help revolutionize the entire medical industry, and that will create a massive windfall for all of us.